Alright, this is it. The last video of 2023 on my channel. So here we have these two machines that I got from fellow collector and friend Luke Gebhardt. Really nice guy. And so I bought these from him for a really good deal. We got this Sanitaire S677 on the left. It's a blue line Sanitaire that takes ST bags. And it's the same disposable bag setup that my 688 took, but that one, of course, as you know, I've converted to Kirby bags. But this one still has the ST setup. And then on the right here, we have this Hoover Convertible U4397. I believe that's the Ranger style hood. It's in really good shape as well. And it's got the power surge, though I've never really trusted the power surge, to be honest. I've had nothing but bad experience with those. They tend to... Every power surge I've ever had has dimmed the lights and on a few occasions blew the breaker. So we will not be demonstrating power surge, but you will get to see it running. So here's the Sanitaire S677. We'll move that aside a little bit. So there's the Sanitaire. Now for the convertible U4397. So there are my two newest acquisitions. Thanks for watching, and goodbye 2023, and have a happy new year, everybody.